Me know say me know them a fight me now.
So what go on Unstoppable family? Yes, so Ishawna, as you can see Ishawna there say yes, me know them a fight me now. So people, yes, Ishawna call the spiritual healer, the spiritual woman what them call Nadine. Yes, you know see the video from the other day where I go around when Nadine say you can call her up if you don't want car, house, money, riches, marriage, anything you don't want, call her up. She is the spiritual healer. So Ishawna made the call. Yes, people, and Unstoppable TV have the video right here for you. So me I gonna make you see it right now. See?
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable,
welcome back, viewers and subscribers. So guess what? If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing now and hit the notification bell so you know that every single time when we upload a video, you get the alert. So first of all, there has been a video circulating social media for the past couple of days of this Jamaican woman who calls herself Nadine, who says that she's a spiritual healer. What Nadine does is she said that if you want anything in life, whether it be a husband, a man, a woman, call her up. She can give you house, land, car, and money. Just call her up and you get what you want. So Nadine has been going around as the video went viral. See the video here, people.
River, Jamaica, West Indies. My name is Nadine. We do spiritual healing on this spot of ground. Come get your visa. Come get bought for baby, bought for the kids, bought for yourself. Broken relationship. Bring back marriage together. Run duppy. Clear for house. Clear for your yard. Get a job. Get a car, own a house. My number is 502-8215. And if you're in America, the number is 1-876-505-8214.
So, after seeing that video, Ishawna, aka Miss Legendary, decided that she was gonna call up Nadine. Yes, as a prank, not real people, as a prank call. So, the dancehall artist decided that she was gonna call up Nadine and see what Nadine had to say. And Nadine did have a lot to say, but I guess all of that was just a part of her, her scheme or scam, whatever it is that Nadine does. So, viewers and subscribers, it is my pleasure to bring you the video of Ishawna actually calling Nadine, and when you can hear for yourself everything what Nadine had to say to Miss Legendary. See the video right here, so.
I need some healing on your pot of lawn.
9 o'clock.
9 in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the pot of lawn?
The pot of lawn, what is that?
You say you offer the spiritual healing.
Oh, I'm in Westmoreland.
Westmoreland, okay. No, I don't know, I just feel like a somebody there for me. What you say? Me know say, me know them a fight me now. Me know them a fight me now. Me say Nadine, me edges, me head side, every part of me.
A fight you get man, that's why I hurt you, so Ishawna be a fool, she say keep up, But anyway, people, viewers, subscribers, you don't believe in that thing there, yeah? Yes, because it's all just in the head, in the mind, it's all about making money, it's all a scam. So viewers, subscribers, don't go call the number because Nadine can't help you. No, she cannot help you. But then again, if you want to find out for yourself, go and go do it. But moving on to the next topic. So people, Popcorn is in Africa right now. I want to see a little clip of Popcorn getting serenaded. Yo, me not lie, them little Nigerian children, they can sing, and you know notice are the legendary Bob Marley them a sing for the unruly boss in the people. You notice that? What more want to know? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about the little children, how them did that sing the Bob Marley, you know, how that make you feel, if them sound good. Yeah, as I say, talk to me in the comment section. So moving right along to the next topic. Yeah, Popcorn Exchange, brother Black Rhino has a few words he must say about the dancehall business. The man has say, yo, the dancehall business gone to the loo, and him don't know what the music is all about these days. It's all about negativity and foolishness, and them not promote good music anymore. The man even not talk about ching ching, breadfruit. You want breadfruit, eh? The man has say, yo, where music gone to? Me I go make you hear it for yourself. Me done with the talking. See it ya? Right, yes.
Me not fight down the man in about what the fuck is breadfruit. You want no breadfruit? What about? Yo, them take dancehall for Jesus Christ. Yo, John, what dog, and that music gone to? So, what me I try to say, is that now me post something today and me see Twins of Twins take it and repost it, in which you follow me so long, and the first time I see a like a post in me, I was like, alright, Zane, and then today I see a post something negative when I post, and the post I post, I just to prove something to some people where me in a debate about today, and I say, yo, them people are not really repost the reshit them off of my page with them for repost. Them I repost anything negative with them can grab and repost it and sink further than me already sink. You see me I say? So when me repost it now, me take it down as fast as possible, dog. You know, fast. And me take it down and look back for me thing, me see a tag to me, Twins of Twins. Curly dog, out of all these years you follow me, out of everything where you see on my page you post. You really take the negative and repost, dog. When I think one of the time you could have even come in, I think one of the time you go in on my DM and you left this long message, some motivational shit. Me I wonder if it fake like everything we make a China, because out of everybody, me not expect you to post it, dog. Is it, dog? Me I expect some mix-up side from social media or some random people, you just random hate and them born for hate and them not have nothing to do with them time but hate. And them have to just keep on hate because them have to motivate people out there. Because that's what the haters find out. Motivation. We need them in the world. Them have a purpose. Trust me. Zane? So, what heap of things they for talk about, brother? What heap of other bullshit, dog? Like the shit we are mash up, get to you. The food we are give the people them cancer. The bag of plastic food where they both in the world, where the people them a ball for pain and them think it normal. It's not normal, dog. All them disease and them virus where the people them a come up with and people think it normal. It's not normal. The whole of them thing they make in a lab, dog. And them thing they will fear talk about and I educate the people them and I make them know what go on and I show them say, oh, you see them phone wanna kill up on themselves for buy the iPhone them and the Galaxy and the Dear phone them with the bag of this and the bag of that and the bag of device them in there and the eye scan thing. Una already are putting themselves in the system and then do them thing. And the wickedest thing, you pay so much money for do it to yourself. And at them thing they have youth them. You see me I say, at them thing they have fuck up the youth them. Social media and them thing they have turn the youth them in a zombie. No. Social media people, when we can't understand with the social media site them, we don't have time for repost, be a negative and then make the world more up and then put some motivational quote under it like say it a go do nothing for the world when you're supposed to I post something where it's supposed to go viral so people can start. So fuck it. Cause the black man, cause the white man and the Chinese man them don't unite. So black people can understand and unite amongst themselves. So them can understand say yo, if we unite in a dog, I eat that in a dog. But nobody now want them here. Everybody want to stick on the jar and them and stick to the fuckery and the Balenciaga and them. And if you now wear your boot, how much thousand your shirt na cost this and that. You can't, you're not somebody in the world. We are talking about real shit around your dog. You see me? No. Twins of things. You repost something negative and you repost and then you put a bagger. You put it in between. Cause y'all try sound like you try motivate me and them thing. The dog, me already can motivate myself. Cause from your born in the ghetto, you're already in a trouble. From your born in the ghetto, dog, you're already in a trouble. You already have to start fight the fight. Cause from your born in the ghetto, that means you're born in a poverty. So you have to fight. Cause you come see your mother and your father fight. So there's nothing where you can tell me about fight. Me not understand, brother. I already know what is fight, brother. And take all of them things there with a smiling face and understand. Say, yo, I want to do this for my own. Because when I do it for my own, it's going to be my own. You see me I say? So, no, you repost something no way. It a go do good for your page, but it a bring down another brother dog. And me not think you realize that, or me think you realize that, but the world don't. Me think you realize that, but the world don't. You see me? And always look past the good deeds that people do. Well, what heap of people do? You see me? Cause around the world right now, you have to do bullshit if you get famous right now. You see me I say? The world gone back way, dog.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.